Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to resize your photo in Lightroom. So it's a very quick and simple step. All you have to do is follow along, and without any further ado, let's dive right in. First thing first, let's tap into the app itself, Lightroom, and here you can choose any of the photo you want to resize. So let's say I want to resize alright, this photo over here, and this is a photo of a car. So I only want the picture of a car. Okay, so in order to do that, let's tap in this option that says crop and geometry, and there are different ways. You can either resize it manually like this. You can simply press this like at the corners, and like you wanna move the picture around. Let's say you want to resize it, you can also rotate it like this and like make sure. But let's say, okay, this is one way of resizing, like it's more of a manual thing. So if you want to resize it like in the X, so also there's another way of resizing. So you can tap in this button right here. So this is aspect ratio. You can customize it by tapping in here, like I showed it to you before. You can do like this, or you can also like customize it according to this, like 1:1, 2:1, 3:2. Let's do it 3:2, and you can also do 7:5 or even 11. Yeah, stuff like that. So 1:1 looks like this. So this is how you resize your photo, and once you're done, once you're okay with how your photo is looking, you can simply tap in this button over here, and there you go. This is how you resize your photo. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.